the quantity x minus y times the quantity 4x plus y dx plus x times the quantity 5x minus y dy is equal to 0. So, ang papansin natin, ang katabi ng dx is very complicated compared sa katabi ng dy. So, ang gagamitin natin is y is equal to vx. And therefore, dy is equal to v dx plus x dv. And v is equal to y over x. So, ngayon, gamitin natin itong dalawa para i-substitute sa problem natin. So, magiging x minus y is vx times the quantity 4x plus vx. 4x plus vx dx plus x times the quantity 5x minus vx dy is v dx plus x dv is equal to 0. So, ngayon, magpo-FOIL method tayo. First. Ngayon is first. Magiging siyang 4x squared. Color block na lang natin ito. 4x squared. And outside is x times vx is vx squared plus vx squared. Inside is negative 4v x squared. Last is itong dalawa minus v squared x squared dx. So, ito naman, ilabas natin yung common dito. Ito naman yung solve natin. Labas natin yung common dito which is x. So, magiging x times x is x squared times 5 minus v dx plus x dv is equal to 0. So, papansin natin is may commons dito na x squared, x squared, x squared, x squared. And dito din may x squared. So, pwede nating ilabas yung x squared dyan. So, x squared times the quantity 4 plus vx ay 4 plus v minus 4v minus v squared dx plus x squared times 5 minus v dx. I-distribute na natin to. V dx tas dito din. So, plus 5 minus v. Huwag naman tuloy. So, 5 minus v times ang quantity v dx plus x dv is equal to 0. So, ngayon is makakancel na tong x squared and x squared. Since i-divide natin siya both sides by x squared. So, makakancel na to. So, matitira na lang is 4 plus v. V minus 4v, itong dalawa, is negative 3v. So, 4 minus 3v minus v squared dx plus 5 minus v. Distribute natin to. Magiging 5 minus v dx plus the quantity 5 minus v x dv is equal to 0. So, ngayon is ito, magiging na siyang distribute natin tong v sa 5 and sa v. So, magiging 5v minus v squared. Sulatin natin siya. Erase natin. Magiging 5v minus v squared dx. So, pwede na natin siyang i-combine dito. Kasi pareha silang dx. So, may pwede tayong i-combine na negative 3v and 5v. So, magiging siyang 4. Negative 3 plus 5 is 5 minus 3. So, magiging plus 2v minus negative v squared minus v squared is negative 2v squared. So, dx plus, copy na lang natin to, magiging 5 minus v x dv is equal to 0. Ngayon, iseparate na natin yung variable. So, magiging na siyang dx all over x plus, copy natin 5 minus v dv all over 4 plus 2v minus 2v squared is equal to 0. So, ngayon na na-separate na natin yung variables, pwede na natin siyang integrate both sides. Yan, erase ko lang to. Kasi wala lang space. So, alam natin ang dx over x is ln x. And ito, kailangan dito ng integration by parts. So, first natin gawin dito is may common dito sa 4, sa 2, and sa negative 2. Which is gawin nating negative 2. So, mailalabas natin yung negative 1/2 times. So, magiging na lang 5 minus v dv all over. Ito magiging na siyang positive kasi nilabas natin negative 1/2. So, magiging v squared. Ito magiging negative minus v. Ito magiging negative din minus 2 is equal to 0. So, yan na yung itong part na to, siya yung integration natin by parts. So, solve natin siya. So, copy natin ln x minus 1/2 times integral of 5 minus v dv all over v squared minus v minus 2 is equal to 0. Ang integration by parts na tayo. First is partial fractions natin to. Magiging 5 minus v all over v squared minus v minus 2. So, paano natin siya ay hiwalay? So, may dalawang numbers na pag minultiply mo is negative 2. So, pwedeng negative 2 times 1. So, pag inad naman natin, dapat maging negative 1. So, negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1. So, ang factors are negative 2 and 1. So, magiging 5 minus 2, v minus 2 times v plus 1. So, yan. Nahiwalay na natin tong denominator, which is ito. So, partial fractions natin, a over v minus 2 plus b over v plus 1. Multiply natin both sides by the whole numerator. Magiging 5 minus v is equal to a. Since may v minus 2 dito, matatakpan na to, makakancel. So, a times v plus 1. v plus 1 plus b times, since may v plus 1 dito, makakancel. So, magiging ng b times v minus 2. So, ngayon is pwede na natin itong isolve. So, distribute natin itong a sa v plus 1. So, magiging a v plus a plus ito naman b, distribute natin bv minus 2b. And i-group natin yung parang like term. So, magiging a plus b v plus a minus 2b. So, basing from 5 minus v, ang v is negative 1. So, ito na yan. So, a plus b is equal to negative 1. And a minus 2b is equal to this constant. So, a minus 2b is equal to 5. So, may napapansin tayo na pwede natin tong dalawa, pwede natin tong i-minus. So, multiply natin itong taas na lang tuloy. Multiply natin to by negative 1. So, a minus a, makakancel to. So, negative 2b minus b is negative 3b is equal to 5 minus 1 is 6. So, b is equal to negative 2. So, from that, a plus b is equal to negative 1. So, substitute natin tong value ng b. So, a minus 2 is equal to negative 1. And a is equal to negative 1 plus 2. So, a is equal to 1. So, nahanap na natin yung factors ng b and ng a. Sulat natin, a is equal to 1. A is equal to 1 and b is equal to negative 2. So, ngayon, isubstitute na natin siya sa ano yan? Dito. So, magiging ng a is 1. So, magiging lang integral of 1 over v minus 2 dv plus b is negative 2. So, pwede natin ilabas yung constant na negative 2. So, magiging negative 2 times integral of 1 v plus 1. So, simplify na natin to magiging ln v minus 2 minus 2 ln v plus 1. So, may integration pala tong 0 dito. So, erase na natin to. Yan. Dito siya. So, copy natin ln x minus itong 1/2 copy. Tapos yung na-solve natin kanina. And ito, magiging itong ln c. Or c na muna for now tuloy para hindi tayo malito. So, since may negative 2 dito, multiply natin both sides by 2. So, magiging siyang 2 ln x minus, copy lang natin to, since magiging na tong 1, magiging negative ln v minus 2. Negative times negative is positive 2 ln v plus 1 is equal to 2c. So, ngayon is, ito gawin na natin siyang ln c. Lipat na natin to, itong dalawa sa katabi ng 2 ln c. So, ditira dito sa left side is 2 ln x is equal to 2 ln c minus, ay magiging na itong positive since nalipat na to the right side, plus ln v minus 2 plus, magiging na itong minus 2 ln v plus 1. So, 2 ln x is equal to, pwede natin itong i-combine, pero ito, magiging exponent, so erase na natin. ln c squared, so ln c squared is ln c squared times v is y over x minus 2. Or pwede natin itong i-simplify as magiging siyang x over y, ay y minus 2x. So, ito naman, pwede natin itong idugtong dito. So, magiging na siyang, palitan muna natin to ng y over x. So, tas itong 2, magiging exponent. And ito, pwede natin itong palitan as y plus x over x. Y plus x over x. So, ngayon, since minus siya, ito magiging siyang magiging siyang denominator. Kasi di-divide natin. So, para ma-multiply natin, mas madali, hanapin natin itong reciprocal nito, which is, ano lang naman, x over y plus x. So, binaliktad lang naman natin. And don't forget the x, that's squared. So, yan, simplify na natin. So, magiging na itong distributed dito. So, yan. Wala na to. So, makakancel natin. Dito is x and x squared. Ito magiging na siyang x. Kasi x, may 2 dito, minus 1 is 1. So, x. So, ln, simplify natin, ln c squared x times y minus 2x all over y plus x squared is equal to ln, ito, pwede na natin itong i-erase and ito magiging power na. So, x squared. So, ngayon naman, makakancel yung ln kasi pareha sila may logarithm. Erase na natin to para mas maraming space. So, ngayon na mayroon na is x squared is equal to c squared x, y minus 2x, all over y plus x squared. Multiply natin both sides by the denominator, magiging x squared times y plus x squared is equal to c squared x, y minus 2x. So, ngayon, papansin natin, may common sa kanila. So, yung x dito and yung x dito. So, matitira na lang is, ito magiging na lang x times y plus x squared is equal to c squared y minus 2x. So, final answer natin is c squared times the quantity y minus 2x is equal to y is equal to x times the quantity y plus x squared. Yan na yung final answer natin.